Nutmeg is a versatile spice that not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also offers numerous benefits for your skin. By incorporating nutmeg into your skincare routine, you can achieve a healthy and glowing complexion. Here are 5 nutmeg face packs that will leave your skin looking radiant. The first pack is a simple mixture of nutmeg powder and honey. This combination helps to exfoliate the skin, remove dead cells, and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. The second pack includes nutmeg powder, yogurt, and lemon juice. This pack is great for reducing acne and blemishes, as well as brightening the skin tone. For those with oily skin, a pack made of nutmeg powder, sandalwood powder, and rose water is ideal. This pack helps to control excess oil production and reduce the appearance of pores. If you have dry skin, a pack consisting of nutmeg powder, avocado, and honey will provide deep hydration and nourishment to your skin. Lastly, a pack made of nutmeg powder, turmeric, and milk is perfect for reducing inflammation and soothing irritated skin. Incorporating these nutmeg face packs into your skincare routine will help you achieve a healthy and radiant complexion.